Hello and welcome to Step to Success. My name is Cesar Carrasco.
And I'm Ingrid Weisheitinger.
The focus of this lesson is to help you understand how to work with nouns and pronouns.
This lesson will also help you with your writing skills, your listening skills, and your pronunciation.
So let's begin.
So before we begin, let's review what a noun is. A noun is any type of word that names a person, a place, or a thing. So if you turn to page 8 in your book, we're going to practice by beginning with pronunciation. Now remember, it's important for you to listen clearly so you could also pronounce and produce the word clearly. So the first word is grandmother. I'm going to say the word twice. You repeat it with me. Grandmother, grandmother. Grandfather, grandfather. Father, father. Mother, mother. Son, son. Daughter, daughter. Brother, brother. Sister, sister. Aunt, aunt. Uncle, uncle. Boy, boy. Girl, girl. Now remember, you could always stop the tape and rewind so you can practice your pronunciation, so you can listen clearly and practice the correct pronunciation. Woman, woman. Doctor, doctor. Nurse, nurse. Teacher, teacher. Student, student. Baker, baker. Cook, cook. Chef, chef. Pilot, pilot. Driver, driver. Astronaut, astronaut. Gardener, gardener. Guard, guard. Man, man. Runner, runner. Walker, walker. Announcer, announcer. Speaker, speaker. Vendor, vendor. Shopkeeper, shopkeeper. Shopper, shopper. Professor, professor. Scholar, scholar. Player, player. Spectator, spectator. Fan, fan. And writer, writer. Remember, these are all examples of words that name people.